Today we're going to build a really cool, highly functional outdoor kitchen / portable barbecue stand. And what I love about this design is it's really compact and modern, so it's going to suit any style, size, or shape of deck. Jim, take us through the features.
Well, the first feature is it's built for a specific type of portable barbecue, but you could adapt it easily to pretty well any type of portable barbecue. We've also got some doors down below to hide if the barbecue happens to have one of the unsightly large tank, it could be hidden down there. We've got two little work areas on either side of the barbecue, and we've also built it so that you can easily grab the barbecue and go.
And of course today we're going to use Western Red Cedar because nothing looks, feels, or smells quite like Western Red Cedar. Plus, it's naturally resistant to rot, decay, and insects, which means this project's going to last a long time.
It sure is.
Jim, what's the first step?
First step is to build the frame.
Okay, let's get started. Well, it's really coming along beautifully, Jim.
Yeah, well, that's because we used Western Red Cedar. It's straight, it's true, our tools love it, and frankly, we love working with it.
Nice. Now take us through the design of this frame. It's really unique.
Yeah, so we tried to mimic like a waterfall countertop in an island of a home. So we've mitered everything together so you get all this flow and you read it as one continuous flow. It's modern, it's sleek, we like it.
Yeah, and I love the fact that you used a really beautiful knotty grade of Western Red Cedar. I think the warmth and the texture of the wood really complements the sleek, clean lines of your design.
I'd have to agree.
Plus, it's a cost-effective choice.
It sure is.
So what's next?
Next, we're going to clad both sides with 1x4.
Nice. So the cladding looks amazing, and I just love the tonal range of the wood, Jim.
Yeah, and we've book matched this in that the pieces on the side and the pieces that run through the door will all be from the same piece of lumber, so it'll just match and look really slick.
Nice touch. I also like how you clad the back, which I guess is optional, because if you're going to back this project up against a wall, you wouldn't need to. But this also gives you more options, like if you have a bigger deck and you want to define a space or just have the ability to move it around.
Yeah, absolutely.
And what do we use for fasteners for this project?
On this project, we've used stainless steel fasteners. They hold up really well to the elements, and this will be sitting outside, so they won't corrode and stain the wood.
Good to know. And for more pro tips and more detailed instructions, you can go to realcedar.com for free downloadable building plans. So what do we have left?
We're going to put the doors on, and then we're going to put a set of wheels on it, and we're done.
Looking forward to it. Looks great. Job well done, Jim.
Well, thank you.
And we used 2x6 decking for this, correct?
Yes, we did. We used 2x6 decking. It's my most requested decking material. I've used miles of it in my career. My clients love it. Looks great, and it lasts for literally decades.
Makes you look great too.
It does.
Great.
Yeah, it sure does.
And not only that, but Western Red Cedar is a green option. In fact, woods such as Western Red Cedar leave the smallest carbon footprint than any other building material, so it's a choice you can feel good about.
That's right.
And for this project, we're just going to let it weather naturally, eventually turning a beautiful silvery gray patina. But it's good to know that Western Red Cedar is pitch and resin-free, which means it accepts and holds a wide range of finishes beautifully.
That's right.
So what's for dinner?
Well, my vote's for tenderloin.
Love it.